Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be putting together a couple of different tablescape ideas. So first of all, I'm going to be doing a witch theme. I DIY'd some cute little cauldrons. I got them at Walmart for 98 cents and I just added some plasters of Paris, painted them, and added some cute little bubbles. And I'm also going to be doing a skeleton theme. So I found some really cute skeleton hands that were in a 2-pack that I'm going to be laying on the plates, and I just thought they were going to be super cute. So let's go ahead and get into that video and I'll show you guys what we come up with. I got these little plastic cauldrons at Walmart for 98 cents. I just mixed some plasters of Paris with a little bit of water, mixed it up, and painted it on the cauldrons. I let those dry for about 10 minutes and then spray painted them with black spray paint. Added some flour while it was still wet. After letting it dry for a minute, I brushed off the excess flour. Then I gave it a good coat of clear coat. And that is it for my witch and skeleton tablescape ideas. I hope my video motivated you guys and gave you some good ideas and inspiration. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button. It really helps my channel out a lot. It'll push my video out so more people can see. So I'd really appreciate that. Thanks again, you guys, for watching. We have many more videos coming. We'll see you guys in the next ones. Bye, guys.